Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create beautiful and animated onboarding screens in Flutter step by step. These are the intro screens you usually see when users open an app for the first time. Let's make them look modern, clean, and responsive. Let's begin. We have to move code. I already do code. Let's explain it step by step. First of all, we have to package smooth page indicator. After that, we have to create onboard page, reusable onboarding page widget with enhanced UI. Create on page widget for onboarding process. Final string image URL. Final string title title text. Final string description text. Image card with shadow. This is page title. Page description. After that, we move to the onboarding screen. This package provides the animated dotted indicator for onboarding pages. A stateful widget is used to track page changes and update UI accordingly. The state of the onboarding screen widget is defined in the class. Page controller allows us to control the page view, go next previous page. Final page controller underscore controller equal to page controller variable to check whether user is on the last onboarding page. Bool is last page equal to false. Disposing the controller when the widget is removed from the widget tree prevent memory leaks. Gradient background to enhance visual appeal. Stack allows to position widgets over each other. Page view plus buttons. Page view allows horizontal swipe between pages. On page changed index called when the user swipes pages. Update is last page when current index is to third page. A list of onboarding pages. Positioned widget overlays bottom control on top of page view. Smooth page indicator shows animated dots for current pages. Controller underscore controller syncs with page view, total number of onboarding screens, vertical space between indicator and button, conditional rendering, last page shows get started button if it's the last page show get start button is last page. If not, the last page show skip and next buttons, space between buttons, skip button jumps to the last page, next button animates to the next page. After that, our screen move to the home screen. This is our home screen. Now I hot restart the app. We see the results in emulator. Next, next. After that, I click the button get started. This is our home page. If you want to get the source code of this code, please comment me. And that's it for today. You have built a smooth, modern onboarding screen in Flutter. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more Flutter videos, and comment below which UI should I build next.